MashaAllah. So Zaimah is again on the ground in Zara. It's one of the villages of Qusayr and Homs province. This village is important because it's the whole population of this village was living as refugees in Arsal in Lebanon, and they've recently returned the past couple of weeks to come back to the village, which has absolutely nothing. There are no schools, clinics, public places, and the infrastructure is absolutely disseminated. Inshallah, what we're doing is we're distributing food parcels. The items of this food parcels should last a family for 1 month, okay? And inshallah, this is what we plan to distribute during Ramadan. I'd like to thank everybody that's contributing towards our project in feeding the people here that are most in need. And I would implore you to continue your donations during the holy month of Ramadan. And thank you very much again for all your hard work and contributions. Barakallahu feekum.